It's your boy Von, back with another video, man. And today I'm finna do this little video, like it's unboxing video. But man, let me tell y'all why I've been gone for so long. You already know, if I don't got a job, bro, I can't upload almost every day for y'all. But y'all see I've been trying, bro, to get the videos. Hoodie off today, feel me? Alright. I'm putting hoodie on. So look, yeah, so I'm about to lately, so I've been working, bro. So I've been working, I've been chilling, grinding at work, and getting paid. So today I'm finna show y'all like what my hard work been doing, what I've been paying off, like some of the stuff I ordered, and it been coming in like when I've been getting off work and stuff. So I'm finna unbag all this stuff for y'all, and yeah, so show y'all like some of the stuff I've been ordering, like, show y'all like my taste and stuff. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Hold on, let me. Shh, be quiet. My brothers don't know how to be quiet, bro. Hold on.
I'll show you something quick.
Okay, yeah. Alright. So my hold on,
Later.
guys.
A few inches later.
I'm back, bro. I had to go and do some business. My bad. They kept on talking, bro, but they still probably talking. Y'all like the Nike jacket? I just got this too. So look. So first off, we gonna start off. Can y'all see me, bro? All right. So first, we gonna start off the first package that came, bro. I got some of these. Yeah, I got these. I ordered these. I ordered all this stuff on the 16th. I got paid that Monday, but I couldn't do nothing to the 16th. So I ordered all this stuff the 16th, and then these came in like Wednesday. I ordered these Tuesday. These came in like Thursday. So I got these Ethica drawers. If y'all don't know what these is, these drawers, designer drawers, they very comfortable. I ordered them off the Ethica store the Ethica store website for like $20. They $20 a piece. So right here I got another pair. Yeah, I got another pair of these. You just order them off the Ethica store, and yeah, order them off the Ethica store, and they're like $25 a piece. One of them was $25. I paid for. So that one right there, that package right there, was $50 to get all together for shipping and all that together. For them 2 pair of drawers was $50. So we got that up out of the way real quick. This video probably gonna be a quick video. So I'm gonna do this video, and I got another video coming right after this video. You feel me? So next thing I got. Wait. Let me see the price for y'all. See, there's not a price on these, but there's not a price on them. But next up, I got my pants. My pants came in like 2 days ago. My pants came in yesterday. My pants came in 2 days ago. Pants came in 2 days ago. Feel me? These some jogging pants. Some track pants. They call them track pants. Trackies. That's what people call them. They comfortable. These my favorite pants, bro. I got like a whole bunch. I got a pair of these on right now. See, but yeah. So you order them. They come like this. I had to get the camos. You feel me? Had to go different. Everybody got the black and red ones and stuff. Had to go different. You feel me? So yeah. Feel me? So, as y'all can see, these are $40. If y'all can see that, it's $40. Yeah, so these pants cost something like that.
Who?
I don't know what these called, bro, but I just know they was $40. And the string long, bro, but I ain't trying to mess up the string. I just got these. But yeah. So I'm wearing these tomorrow. I gotta buy me a jacket and some shoes that go with these. So that's coming next. So I'm about to start doing a lot of these videos. Every time I get paid, I'm gonna order some stuff and I'll make sure I'm gonna unbox it with y'all. You feel me? So yeah, so got that up out of the way. Next up, we got some more track pants. So right now we got these red and black ones. You feel me? Long string gang. You feel me? These called Rebuild Mans. Another pair of $40. So gotta show everything. Make sure they fake, but you gotta make sure you got the zipper, everything on, bro. Make sure they telling me real, bro. Yeah. My unboxing videos will get better, you feel me? Like once I get my camera and stuff. But yeah, so $40 for these. So that order, that purchase right there was like one something for the pants, cause both pair was $40 a piece, and yeah, so both pair of pants was $40 a piece, and so the shipping and stuff was like 10 something. Like it came out to like 100 or something. So yeah, I already had those pants out. I had tried them on when they first came because what's the name? This the receipt. It just telling me what I got. They don't got the price on it, but it just telling me what I got. So. All right. So last but not least, I might have to get down. I might have to sit down to do this because I know. So I gotta sit down and do this one because my phone is sitting on top of it. So y'all ready? That's the last package, last but not least. Get up. So yeah, so last but not least. So hold on, I'm probably gonna set this up right here on top of all these bags. My bad, y'all. I meant to get a tripod, but see, it's good enough. So last but not least, you gotta take that open stuff out. So, I know y'all see that. What's that? Let me get this up out of there. My bad, y'all. This is my first unboxing video. Don't judge me, bro. So yeah. So these shoes, I ain't gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna let y'all. These the kind of shoes I got. Size 11. Yeah, that's size 11. So I got this off StockX. Feel me? I order my shoes off StockX if y'all want to know. I order my StockX or I buy them out the mall from Foot Locker. So yeah. But these boys is fire, bro. These are fire. Y'all ready for this one? If y'all don't know what this is a StockX sticker they put on your shoes when you order the shoes. So yeah, these the shoes, you feel me? Get y'all 360 of the shoes. I know these boys look big, bro. Trust me. I wear size 11, bro. So, gotta give y'all a full overview of the shoes. Alright, let's take both of these boys out there. Alright. My bad, y'all. I'm moving so much. But I'm about to get y'all They about to cook me, but they all probably finna cook me. But I got it. This video is really for you. See. Oh. They got these boys tight and too tight, bro. But it's good. I'm gonna have it like these. See, so these from Jordan. The Air Jordan 1's mid. So, feel me? They come with the shoestrings, StockX logo. These boys official. No creases, nothing in the shoes. Smell fresh and clean. I love the smell of a new pair of shoes. So look, this one I'm about to rock these, you feel me? I'm probably not even gonna rock these that many times. But I'm finna probably go rock these with mismatched shoestrings. Y'all rocking with it with a red and a white blue shoestring? But yeah. So yeah. How y'all like them, bro? Like if y'all like this video right now if y'all like these. I'm probably just gonna wear them one time, probably tomorrow, and that's it. I'm probably gonna wear them tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to like a carnival. I'm gonna wear them to school probably, and that's it. I'm probably gonna put these boys up till the summer hit. You feel me? So yeah. I don't like wearing my shoes to school cause my shoes, and they like sway right here in the front. You feel me? Like, bro, I love shoes, bro. Like y'all finna see me buying a whole bunch of shoes. But yeah, I'm about to unbox every pair of shoes I buy from now on. So yeah, But yeah, so hey, let me know down below in the comments if you think I should mismatch the shoestrings, like a white shoestring and a red shoestrings. I know it look raggedy right now. I'm finna go get a cut. You feel me? But yeah, so I got these off StockX. They gave me a thing. They tell me yeah, but they in the box was from, if you order from StockX, they gonna give you this little card. They gonna give you your receipt. I don't want to show y'all my receipt, my guy, because if y'all might rob me, but the receipt, they gonna give you a sticker on whatever you buy, bro. They gonna give you a sticker on it. That's like it's an authorization, bro. Yeah, so because they gotta go through a whole process, bro, to make sure like your shoes look crispy when they come in, but like because some people send them to you, and then you gotta make sure these boys look brand new. It's like only one thing wrong with these shoes. Like I can fix it. It's not no crease in it. Just they laced them. When they laced them too tight, and they got like a dent right here. So I'm finna take these shoestrings. I'm finna take the shoestrings out of this one anyways and put the red one in. Let me see how people like it at school tomorrow. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Let's try to get my comments and subscribers and stuff to go up if I can start getting paid on YouTube, bro. And I can start getting these Yeezys and stuff for y'all. But these wasn't cheap neither, my guy. I only work at Wendy's. But I thought about this video. I'm about to start unboxing a whole bunch of stuff for y'all. I'm about to start buying stuff, unboxing it for y'all.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Let's try to get some ads in these videos, and start getting paid, bro. But yeah, so comment down below what y'all want to see next. Probably, I know y'all probably waiting on another public interview. I know I got one coming for y'all, my guy. Just be patient with me. I don't like that dent right there. I'm about to get that up out of the way real quick after this video. So yeah, if y'all want to order off StockX, it take like a week, cause they gotta, whoever shipped your shoes off, they gotta take your shoes to the StockX, to the StockX verification center. Then that's when the people at StockX make sure your shoes look brand new, Like nothing wrong with them, no creases, or make sure they not used, make sure they look brand new. The box, make sure the box ain't damaged. See, my box is not damaged at all. You feel me? Make sure the box not damaged or nothing. You feel me? I'm just probably gonna keep these. I'm not gonna mess these up. I'm gonna add them to my collection. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So what's this at the bottom? Oh snap! They gave me a StockX sticker too. You feel me? You can't go wrong with StockX. StockX, they just do goatee stuff. I ain't even know. There's just some more surprises we don't know about it here. So nah, bro, man. So yeah, let me just put these away. Hold on. I'm trying to do a thumbnail, bro. I'm clumsy, bro. Man, don't cook me in the comment section, bro. I'm y'all mans, bro. Alright. Oh, snap, bro. Oh, my shit. You can't even see the shoes. Alright, thumbnail. Thumbnail, hold on, wait. Alright, thumbnail. I was trying to get the StockX sound, but they can probably see it right here. Thumbnail. Alright, man, I'm out.